Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you the quickest way to upload your custom fonts in Canva. Go to the website where you want to get a custom font. For example, I'm choosing Lashard Script. Click to download the font. Once the download is complete, you'll have the font file saved on your computer. After downloading the font, extract the OpenType or TrueType font file. Save the extracted file to a folder on your PC for easy access. After extracting the font, return to Canva and select any text in your presentation. You'll see the Upload Font option appear. Keep in mind, this feature is only available to Canva Pro users, not on free accounts. Click Upload Font, select the downloaded file, then confirm your selection and upload. Your custom font will now be added. The files will begin uploading automatically. Once the upload is complete, locate your font in the Uploaded Fonts section. Select your custom font from the list. You'll now see that the custom font has been successfully applied to your project, reflecting your changes instantly in the design preview. You just learned how to upload fonts in Canva 2026. Easy, right? Hit like and subscribe for more simple design tips.